things that have landed, Jess slacked me this morning asking when parameters will land, and I sort of cheekily made her this and sent it to her. So this is the zoom in again. Basically the V1 of parameters that don't exactly have UI support, and we actually shouldn't call them parameters, so scratch that, of single value filter references. So much catchier have landed. So here you can basically in SQL are referencing basically a single value from the filter. So you can, dates are actually kind of the weirdest one, but I used it for this example. So it just, you can change this around and update. And obviously this is a very silly example, but you can use it for all kinds of things, and you can put numbers and strings and
Yeah. You could put a catch in here and then use it in a calc, I presume now, right?
could you use literally? I mean, you can
Like
definitely
you could drop this into a field that just holds the
oh
value, and then you could
yeah,
have a calc call that probably.
totally. Yeah. Yeah. Um, the I, I thought you were asking could you do it directly in a calc that you wrote in SQL, and you, you might.
No, we
I'm
don't.
not
We
sure.
don't need to do that.
Yeah.
We could stop short of going that far.
Yeah, and then when we were in implementing that, it wasn't that hard to also do this other gesture. No, not that. Um, for dates, the single value makes the least doesn't make sense, but actually what often does make sense, what you want is to pull out the two end boundaries of the dates to be of the date filter to be able to reference them. So again, this is a very silly example, but you could use it to, like, people often want this to like push down a filter into these legacy BigQuery tables where you have to like explicitly specify the dates. There are other use cases. But yeah, basically you're just saying like, this is how I reference filters.users.paramFilter.rangeEnd references the end of the filter, filters.users.paramFilter.rangeStart references the beginning of the filter. So that is also there.